Here's a pair of Skullycandy Crusher Evo Headphones. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to an Android phone. This phone I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S20, which is also an Android phone. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the settings on our Android phone and then go to Bluetooth settings. Okay, so on this model here, I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to click on connections, and then I see Bluetooth right there. Let me tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And under available devices, these are all the devices that are in pairing mode down here. So we need to put these in a pairing mode. So let's go ahead and grab the headphones here. And you look on one side, you see this orange button right here. This is the power button, okay? So these are currently off. Let me turn these on. Let me press and hold this button for a few seconds so the light turns on. Power on. Okay, now when you turn it on, you should get a blue and red blinking light indicating that it is in pairing mode. Mine's blinking red here. Is probably connected to a different device. But let me just go ahead and reset these, okay? So they're currently on. Volume up, volume down. I'm going to press and hold for a couple seconds until this turns like a teal color, okay? Volume up, volume down. Let's reset. Press and hold. And just wait. There's that teal light. It blinked 3 times. Now it's in pairing mode. Now it's blinking red and blue, which is what I want. So let me go ahead and grab my Samsung Galaxy phone here and look for it. Okay, it's not showing up. Let me click on scan again. So it's in pairing mode, so it should find it down here. Still in pairing mode. Oh, there it is down here. Crusher Evo right there. Let's tap right there. Pairing. We may get a pairing request right there. Tap on pair. And we're connected for calls and audio. 100% remaining on these, and there you go. Questions or issues? Comment below.